My name is Daniel Fibran Mata, and I want to the explanation about midterm project is contrasting consonant. And the explanation is number 1, P versus B. Differ in voicing. P is voiceless bilabial plosive, and B is voice bilabial plosive. And the explanation number 2, there is a F versus V differs in voicing. V is voiceless labiodental fricative, and V voice labiodental fricative. And there is a number 3, the explanation number 3, S versus Z. Z differ in voicing. S voiceless alveolar fricative, and Z is voice alveolar fricative. And there is a explanation number 4. There is a thief versus jib differ in voicing. Thief is voiceless postavveolar affricative, and jib is voice postavveolar affricative. And the explanation number 5, K versus G differs in voicing. K voiceless velar plosive, and G voice velar plosive. And the explanation number 6, thief O versus D differ in voicing. O voiceless dental fricative, and D voice dental fricative. And the explanation number 7, T versus D differs in voicing. T voiceless alveolar plosive, and D voice alveolar plosive. And the explanation number 8, V versus D differ in voicing. T voiceless postavveolar fricative, and D voice postavveolar fricative. And the last number is the explanation number 9. E versus R differ in voicing. E is lateral alveolar approximant, and R is alveolar approximant. And number 2, I want to the explanation about minimal pairs that respond contrasting consonant in the initial and final position in English. And the explanation of consonant in Chonggu Twister. And the number 1, Chonggu Twister contrasts the voiceless velar stop K in cook, and the voice velar stop G in good. Highlight the difference in voice while keeping place and manner constant. And there is I want to explanation about number 2 of consonant in Chonggu Twister. This Chonggu Twister use the final consonant and K and G to contrast the voiceless and voice velar stops at the end of words. This demonstrating how voicing change meaning in minimal pairs like bags and bag. And the last, I want to the explanation about of consonant in Chonggu Twister number 3. This Chonggu Twister contrast the initial labiodental fricative is F voiceless and voice V in words like fan and fun, focusing on the voicing contrast with the same place and manner of articulation.